Dark Size Ink is in your fucking head, nigga. Remix shit right here. Uptown score to 396. Check it out, rolled up. 64 kill lanes, dark 12. All my ill niggas out here, rolled up. Yo. I make the dark area shot that clap with stale. It's fucked up, you and I just the same. We know why we killed niggas and bitches hanging around in the motherfucking claws. No, they got choked up. If they never choked up, they might get crossed up. Sunshine comes up, that means the sunshine comes down. You know why you might be dead like 8 hours. No, you get killed up by that Dark Size Ink, nigga. Black mask and black coat, black pants and Timbs, black Timbs, all that type of bullshit. We hot like that and clap that Mac like cypher. Whole crap the master with that Juba with the Levy and make a roof all rap the lover. I dig you in the hole cause diggity dust ain't fuck around in the street right here. Know that we whip shit to clank. They make the open wiper with that roof up the line. Yo, I make the ziggy zag, the zack, the rat and stack the clap with the over with whole shot foul. Perfect motherfucker. No, you perfect bitch. That means you might get choked up. Blast us with the fucking zacky. Put the zipper zack round your bag and get dead in the dancer with the clap rapper with the chat laugher. Cool for up the dabber with the lobby. Z8 day, close or strap, get fucked against shit. Z8G. Nigga the one that he ain't fuck around with that ziggity zack cover. I think me the over with that ziggity big rapper will rap the clapper or rap hot civic rapper. Rap zack the ziggity zuda. I take the big wolves that roll and make the high shot the nasty. Copy, whole rap shot with that lassa. Proof up the map with the Juba with the life and the make it be all rap the cuff like sheepy. Pump up the evil wheel with the cold Wiley. Climbing, whole trap map that the limey. That means we blow niggas up the flame. Zazzo, proof all rap like they rogue. Look for up the map with the life rat so the old rat the loaf. I take that clove. I make shit, I whip shit, whip a lot dog shit. Make it to the wheel with the over with the line. Why you come here in bright side and you kept talking all that shit? You know why you get smashed first in the darkness. High laughing with the chorus, top the rockness. And why the fuck do you go on the show society? Make like 8 shows right here. Why you keep on talking shit? You know why you get blast by the Zazzo. The one that crazy nigga that used that white eye. Know that I blast you and your silly ass cool. Walking around the high school, fucking around, get killed like that. Choked up and get crossed up so tight. I make the nigga ass with the tote with shoe for whole rat loofah. Take a nigga flights. Make it to the devil, we the make a life flights with the pope all white like a prophet. I told you, the Dark Size Ink is in your head. You better kill us, nigga. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step in my crew, you step the fucking wrong way. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Ink, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. When you step in my crew, you step the fucking wrong way. All y'all niggas in Philly right here, J.A. Struggle the one I put that shirts while you fucking gun. I make it round the gavel with the fab, the new school, where the fab on shot or food. Yeah, this is 9 o'clock 7. Put that nigga in hell to 7. Cool up weapon. This ain't about guns, it's about torturing people and put niggas in their cross right there and they get the dogs. High nasty with the Cooper open my see life ever. I told you it's a good way to die. When I see old niggas, old bitches and young bitches and young niggas out here, they get choked out that street. Mac Bass to make the boost. I make it to where the old crash and make the high super. It's a good day to die. Today's your day. You know why? You gonna kill us, kill me, or kill you, bitch nigga what? That means I use my motherfucking machine gun or minigun, whatever the shit I'm using with guns and all that type of bullshit. I blast them. I always put that motherfucking blanket around my arm. I told you, get on the floor, bitch ass hoe and bitch nigga. That means I always rob you. Take them shit and I'm out. I was in the gas station with 15 niggas on my side that we wearing black masks. That means I robbed that bitch, robbed the other black nigga, old white nigga, whatever. I robbed him. That means I always blast him. That means I tell my nigga James, where's he? Where's Jessica brother? I lick that pussy ass so deep and I lick her pussy ass. Know that I kiss her so deep and fuck her in the ass. Put my nut right on her fucking ass. That means I always shake her ass with the tap lather. Whole crap massive with both. I wash her drawers in her socks and make sure that shit never happened. One time with the lime, high class nasty with the Corolla, I should save the sex. And then right now the shit here make the clap, make it to the swear with the old rap nass and the make it last and cut that shot. But fuck, I told this white boy, what is he? Yo, Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. You step on my crew, you step the fucking wrong way. Yo, Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. You step on my crew, you step the fucking wrong way.
Dark Size Inc, Dark Size Inc, it's the one that bring your head and run the nightmares. Come along, take my hand. This Dark Size Inc famous would never.
You niggas know that this shit's not playing around. When you listen to this song, this ain't no funny shit. That makes me always blame a lot of niggas in their cars and make sure they might die first. But Jesus know that he died the cause so deep. They make a fat old reaper like it's so eco. Smoking with that lie, with the pat wild, with the pass side, with the cool wise and jack the high fit. Taking a fiffer, topping up that with siffer. Took her up that nigga ass with the pork grass and the make it grass and cut that shoot with CV. Hide that fever, you a demon motherfucker. Whole strap massive with the coupe up the knee, see the cleavy and maybe this type shit I can switch G. High napping. I'm the type of nigga, the one that burn the shit up with the crack. If you savvy, these fake ass rappers, they need to get off my job. And they know why, they know they ain't whole last that whole crap map. Taking up niggas and short. When I cross your ass up down the motherfucking air, that means black and white folks know that they might see you cry like a bitch like that in the bed. You told, yo, get me off for this thing. You all dead. The desert. When the shotgun comes, you dead. Yo, Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. You step on my crew, you step the fucking one way. Yo, Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc, that's what we talk, that's what we saying. You step on my crew, you step the fucking one way. A shack it 812 the 14 the 696 the shit here. Pump the fucking float with the L. Make it to the square, make it to the tail with the old rap fail. The shit don't stop with the clock hit pop. The tofu up the mat with the coof up knots. Clop up and make up, I take up and hick. I take that nigga ass cut with the show flip. Hiding that stab with the coof up the news so old rat. Hope a loose old crew that makes CV. Why you saying all that type of shit about murderer or black lives matter? All that bullshit, you not in that no more. Fuck out here, five murder your faggot ass over down the fucking dark street right here. You know why you dead? That's a whole crap ever, whole strap method and make it to the old rap sepper. Clapper, coof on that with that need you. Clap and then leave you with the old rap book. When you all dead, the cops might pitch it out with the Kodak, the low rap, the mo rap, taking it off the fucking OLED. Making that to make it to the last with the coof up the mad dog with the we play hardcore with our niggas out here talking all that hardcore shit right here. We ain't in that hardcore shit. The one that we bust here, pap, rip, swear, pap the record, the sick of the big, the old fuck. I take it the whip and the rick, the hit, the make it the open spot, big. Don't crew me. I pick it the two stat with that livey. J to the H to the W, it's not fucking around. This ain't no funny. That means I wear like a 9-string. The Timbs, my black boots and black pants and my shirt. I sip a bigger than that with that CV. I take it the beat, I take it the whole puppet within that CV and make it the Vicky, take it the whole make it Dr. VC. Cause I pick the nigga ass with the photo and then make whole cover old fashioned. I told this white boy, I just fuck your bitch so deep. I fuck Jessica Butter while my night while her fucking ass. I should lost it. I should sex her ass so deep. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, and all that bullshit. I wash her drawers and socks and clothes. And I rap and suck her fucking pussy when her pussy get hard. That means I lick her pussy ass with the that rag with the clap bag. I go hard, I go hot, I go sexy. I go hard like a motherfucker uptown scooter. I like that, I flies up. I do 295. Got to a crib and took me out. Woke up, that means I should stick in the dick and the well. They make the over well with the soup, oh well. That means when I out, that means I should kill a lot of innocent people and these cops too. Woke up with the fuck, toe rack the gut with the Mac on up with the shaft back foe. And these white niggas and black niggas already know. They try to put that picture with me, say who is he? Where is he? Make it in the wiki, make it tip the whippy, high laugh baby with itty. Mask on the move for making death with the CV. Make it over rapper with the clock mask shavy. Clock throw, whole crap on the foe. Oh, the whole short, the old low. Take it over. And these cops and these black niggas, white niggas saw my picture at me. They gon' say, where's he? Where's he? Yo, Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step in my crew, you step the fucking one way. Yo, Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step in my crew, you step the fucking one way. Hold round the biggity diggity dicky Wally. So right man on the left on nightly. Clive and make it the fall. Don't hit that shit right here. Then you know why? It's a Dark Size Inc. cloud. The biggity diggity dawn and make it door with all the pole with on strap that make a lobby. Diggity dawn, the diggity one. I just whip the shit like a dude. Up and down and make growling. Make the diggity dawn with the Lloyd fight. Hold diggity dawn, the biggity dawn, the biggity rolling. I diggity dawn, the biggity dawn. I make a whole that's work up with that biggity diggity. Don't clock it. I make open with hits, make a two-bit with clip. I make a bumper tackle with the shadow warfare. 64, the shit right here is not funny, it's so clocky. Make an old rap hip, it's not no funny, it's no funky. Pack it up, pumpy. Kill a lot of ill niggas, I'm a rap clock wonky. No joking, not here. I'm not joking, I'm just all about more niggas around. Oh, rap around. Large clothes, I like that. I whip it on it with the pack, the diggity door with the pole wallet. Make up as ever. I'm a round nigga, one that I live and broke it down while concentration with a fucking loofah. Loofah wrist with the towel when you wanna test. Like a diggity door with the pat rally. Maybe the Cooper got me wicker, the whipper. I take up, blah blah wicker. Yo man, shit here pumped the real classy. Hiding that buffer in the hair with the lobby. When I lick your pussy ass so deep, baby, you sound like a high chef of it. And your butt looks like a dirty toxic. High lap robin, fuck your ass so deep. Watch by niggas, the one that watch your draws, or else you watch them niggas that watch their girls draws all night. Co-ed fight their own fight. I whip up hole, yeah, picking up hole, yeah. Pick up the dirty ass with the whole lot, and you a dirty baby, and I like that. Sexy ass so deep, and I say the sex one time in your fucking mind. Whole massive with the super with Nazi, coffee, whole crap rassing with the lime. This shit don't stop with the knock, go pop, the old rat sample, old fat feet. And yo, dude, yo, pop, that shit that make a fair. When I see the white nigga, I'ma shoot that motherfucker. Here goes that real Dark Size uptown skull shit. When I bust your fucking eye, nigga. Real talk, the real feel with the clear. The old rap feather with the show with clear. Here comes that real, that Dark Size Inc. remix shit. The one I just pop, you dead, nigga. Whole massive with the clipper with that zipper and make it rip it and make it cover with the shit. River, I take the hip over with the air with the soup and make it fuller. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Yo, Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step on my crew, you step the fucking one way. Yo, Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. Dark Size Inc. That's what we talk, that's what we saying. We step on my crew, you step the fucking one way. Yeah. Dark Size Inc. Motherfucker. Remix shit right here. Big shout out. Billy Alice, Smoking Bone. Grand Army. This the order, the strange shit rolled up. All my ill niggas out here. Wherever y'all see this bitch ass hoe Snelly, I'ma shoot her fucking ass. After she fuck my brain, I kill her. Spit on her face. Rolled up.